Welcome back to another episode of Tasman Travels. This time we continue our journey heading down the east coast of the South Island. We take you to a spectacular beachfront campsite, experience drama and history in Omaka, and go on the hunt for a shipwreck. Please don't forget to like our video, why not leave a comment, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Beautiful morning, just not long woken up at Rarangi
Dock campsite,
and went for a nice beach walk this morning. Yeah, we was going to carry on to, White's Bay
Dock camp. The walk we did yesterday ended up there.
Yeah, so we've seen it, and we're not dawdling. We want to get to Christchurch within the next week or two. Instead, we're heading to the Omaka Aviation Heritage Centre,
which should be very cool.
Just outside Blenheim. Lots of planes, and Weta Workshop also did lots of work there with mannequins and stuff, I think. And then I think later we'll see the walk you can do through loads of marshland. I think it's 2 hours return, but it's like a flat boardwalk walk out to some shipwreck, which is meant to be pretty cool. And then we'll head to a dock camp. I can't remember the name, it's right on the beach.
Nom nom nom. So we just had an amazing experience at Makana Chocolate Factory just outside Blenheim. Susan and Marion, the hosts, were so friendly, really informative. They gave us some little extra tastings, and we purchased some of their amazing macadamia butter toffee. Oh, it's so good.
It's amazing. Yeah.
You literally have to come here. The Omaka Aviation Heritage Centre, just outside the bustling town of Blenheim, is a massive, immersive and dramatic destination showcasing a huge and rare collection of World War I and World War II aircrafts and items. On show in a way that gets you involved, keeps you on your toes, while sharing the stories of the folks behind these historic machines.
Speaking to one of the tour guides, Roy, and apparently a lot of the planes here were donated by Sir Peter Jackson, the film producer.
Director. Producer, everything. It's pretty awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
The scale's insane. After a friendly welcome and a quick intro, we did our self-guided tour around the exhibitions and was instantly in awe of what we were seeing. We could have stayed here all day. This is just insane. Like, look at the attention to detail. So this is the type of stuff you're going to see when you come here. And this, look, there's even a crow. It's just crazy.
Yeah, and you learn about all the planes
Yeah.
with the signs.
As soon as you walk around the corner, it kind of takes your breath away.
Yeah.
Where are we headed now?
So we've done the World War I bit, and we're going to do the World War II bit now.
And that was Night Skies.
Yeah.
And this one's called
I'm not sure.
Treacherous Skies.
Dangerous Skies.
Dangerous Skies, sorry, yeah. Should be good. still trying to get to this shipwreck. And the moral of this story is wear boots. What did I say? We should wear boots. But nah.
I didn't know it'd be like this.
Neither did I. That's why I was going to wear boots. So yeah, if you do this walk, wear boots.
TSS Waverley was an old steamer built in 1883 and dismantled in 1928. She was meant to be scuttled to form a breakwater at the mouth of the Wairau River, but she was swept up the channel in a flood and came to rest in the lagoon. Just finished the SS Waverley walk. I think it took us about an hour and a half, but beautiful walk for all the marshes and that. Really flat, so not strenuous. So we've just got to Marfells Beach, right on a beachfront site. It's absolutely stunning here. Jordan's just setting up. And yeah, might stay here for a couple of nights, I think. Beach is amazing. So this is another dock camp, free with the dock pass. And I think there's toilets, maybe showers here. But yeah.
The next morning we headed to the beach for some yoga and enjoyed the day watching the view, relaxing and making friends with the locals. West Virginia. This is our van with the bikes, all locked up properly. 2 padlocks, 2 of the other locks that the bike rack comes with, strapped, everything here at the dock camp. about to go for a walk. Hopefully they don't get nicked.
The track from the campsite to the Cape Campbell Lighthouse is a 14-kilometre return, mostly flat beach walk. We were the only ones walking the track and the views throughout were amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Join us next time when we head to Kaikoura and on to Christchurch.